If someone's spouse snores so loud that the other one must go to another room to get sleep, is this just an inconvenience, or could there be a greater problem associated with loud snoring?
Actually, 9 times out of 10, if a person is snoring loud enough to disrupt the sleep of the bedtime partner, it is an indication of a much more seriously life-threatening problem, and that problem is obstruction of the airway. So what happens is, as the person is trying to squeeze out air through a narrow airway, the soft tissue vibrates of the soft palate, creating the snoring sound. So I would highly recommend anybody who snores loudly to seek medical treatment and get tested for an obstruction.